pinned in. So this is where it gets kind of dicey. I didn't have a good set of snap ring pliers, but I used a set of ground up needle nose. Here's the front snap ring and the input shaft. Let's get this cross bolt out of here. I think this retains, yeah, for the shift. This bolt on top has something to do with the shifter rail. Put it in my pile here. I think I got all the other bolts out. I think. Now the fun part, separating the halves. This thing hasn't, more than likely hasn't been apart. There's another cross bolt down here. Basically I had to have this thing standing up on end and get your lugs here and here. And take your pry bar and give it some wax that'll separate. Make sure all your cross pins are out and all the bolts are out. So you got a pin here that's a little seized up. I'm going to give it a little persuasion. Hopefully she comes out. Alright, I got the case split. One snag here, and like I said, I'm still learning, and I'm learning, and we're learning together. I'm staring at this pin. It's the detent pin for the shifter rail. That's got to come out, otherwise this bell housing won't come off. They sell a special tool which you attach to a slide hammer to remove it, but I won't buy that tool. I'm going to try to get it out using different methods. There's the legendary reverse idler. You cannot get this thing back in the transmission without making a jig. So basically I'm going to have to build a jig out of wood to accommodate all these components here, including the reverse idler. I'm going to have to make something so I can hold it in place. This is all going to have to be flipped upside down. Yeah. But the gears do not show any excessive wear. Synchros probably need replaced, as do the bearings. The case is dirty. It had some contamination. The input shaft bearing does not seem to show any excessive wear. You can feel wobbling a little bit. Nothing terrible. Get this thing cleaned up.